Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe and at home. Do you all love your studies? Yes, I hope you all are loving it. Yes, all these virtual classes now. It is very easy for all of you that through these virtual classes you can study at home. Yes, na? There is no need for you to come to school because of this virus. You can stay at home, and we teachers are bringing you different videos for you all so that you don't miss your classes, your studies, okay? And your studies can go regularly, yes? And do study every day, okay? I know you all love to play also, and with that, along with your play, you study also, okay? Do practice writing daily, yes, and your oral and all the videos which I am sending. I hope you all are watching all the videos. So this is your GK class, and today's GK topic, my topic is flowers. So as you all know, we have in the previous chapter I taught you about at the park, and when you go in a park to play, you see different things, yes. So there are benches, there are fountain, there are trees, and I also told you that there are different and beautiful flowers also, yes, in the garden or in the parks. So today I will be taking this topic, flowers, and I'll teach you there are so many different kinds of flowers in this world with different names, and those flowers are so beautiful, and their smell and their fragrance is also very nice, yes, na? So and you feel fresh when there are flowers all around, and you feel fresh, and we can have due to these plants and these flowers we have fresh air, yes, na? And we should not pluck the flowers and the plants, okay? Never pluck the flowers, and never pluck the leaves, because they also get hurt, yes. These are also living beings, na? Flower and plants are also living, they grow, from a little seed they grow into a small plant, then they have flowers and fruits, and they become big plants also, big trees also, yes, now. So we should always remember, we should not hurt, like you get hurt when you fall down or anyone hits you, you get hurt, na? In the same manner, if you pluck the flowers, what will happen? Because they also breathe, they also take food from the ground, so they also make their own food, so they are living, and they also get hurt. So we should not, now remember, never to pluck the flowers and the leaves, okay? So in this your GK book, I hope now you all must be recognizing your book. This is your GK book, and in this book today I will be teaching you the topic flowers. This is the topic flowers, and there you can see there are different kinds of flowers, children. So we will see which flowers are there, okay? So this is champa. Which flower is this? This yellow color, champa. This is champa, and this is rose. The red rose you must have seen, and it smells very nice. Its fragrance is very nice. And this is a rose, and then this is mungra. It is white in color. Then this is lotus. Lotus is in water, okay? And it is your national flower also. Yes, this is the national flower. And then this is jasmine. And then we have, this is shoe flower. This is a shoe flower. And this is marigold. This is marigold. This is lily. This is tulip, and this is sunflower. And this sunflower is always faces the sun, and it you can see it's just like a sun. That's why its name is also sunflower. It looks like a sun. So can you see? So these flowers are very lovely, and there are many more flowers in the world, but here are some of the flowers which I am teaching you. So there are 4 questions in it. There are 4 questions. I will be teaching you today those questions, and you have to learn the answers of those question, right children? So the very first question is, which is our national flower? Which is our national flower? Just now I showed you now which is our national flower. This. Can you see? This is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Which flower is our national flower? So the lotus. The answer is. The question number 1 was, which is our national flower? And how will you say the answer? You will say the lotus. What will you say, children? The lotus is our national flower. You are not going to say just lotus. If I ask you which is the national flower, you are not going to say lotus. Okay, some of the children say only lotus. No, you have to say in full sentence. And how are you going to say it? You will say it after me. Just watch how ma'am is saying. Okay, the lotus. Say the lotus. The lotus is our national flower. The lotus is our national flower. Right. Okay. Now question number 2. Now question number 2 is, where do plants grow? You have seen plants, flowers now. So where do plants grow? They grow somewhere. So before the plant, flower, there are plants. We plant seeds, yes, in the ground, and that seed grows into a small plant. And in that plant, we have flowers. And slowly, as I have told, when we give proper water they make food, for proper sunlight they get, then small plant can grow big and become a big tree. So always remember, plants grow on, flowers grow on plant and trees. We can find plant on the plants and tall big trees. Okay, so where do plants grow? What will you say? Where do plants grow? You will say where do flowers grow? Where do flowers grow? And what will you say? The answer will be, the flowers grow on plants and trees. Again, flowers grow on plants and trees. Once again, question number 2. Where do flowers grow? Flowers grow on plants and trees. Flowers grow on plants and trees. Okay, this was question number 2. Question number 3. Question number 3. Which flower grows in water? Which is question number 3? Which flower grows in water? Just now I showed you now. So, which flower grows? I showed you now which flower was it? Yes. This is our national flower and it grows in water. Okay. So, say the lotus. Say the lotus grows in water. The lotus grows in water. Which flower grows in water? Now you know it. Which flower grows in water? Say the lotus. The lotus grows in water. Once again, the lotus grows in water. Okay. Which flower always faces the sun? I showed you one flower. It looks like a sun and it always faces the sun. So which flower it is? Can you see this flower? Which flower is it? It is sunflower. Yes, it is a sunflower. So the sunflower, what is the answer? The sunflower always faces the sun. Which flower always faces the sun, children? The sunflower always faces the sun. The sunflower always faces the sun. The sunflower always faces the sun. Okay, children. So there are 4 questions over here. The question number 1 is, which is our national flower? The lotus is our national flower. Question number 2 is, where do flowers grow? Flowers grow on plants and trees. Flowers grow on plants and trees. So question number 3 is, which flower grows in water? The lotus grows in water. The lotus grows in water. Question number 4, which flower always faces the sun? The sunflower always faces the sun. The sunflower always faces the sun. So children, this is chapter number 13, lesson number 13, flowers. There are only 4 questions. You have to learn it. Learn the question answers, as we are going to have a unit test also. So unit test 2 we are going to have. So that please you all keep studying and keep revising, and whatever video I am sending, do watch it. God bless you children.